Did you know there are natural remedies in your spice rack that could permanently improve your eye health? Our eyes are important for daily interactions with the physical world, capturing light and sending signals to the brain. This makes it highly essential to prioritize their health throughout our lives. Apart from aging, which naturally leads to vision impairment, prolonged screen time, exposure to UV rays, and lifestyle habits like smoking are common causes of poor vision. That's why protecting your eyes from different impairments, especially blindness, is crucial. And in this eye-opening video, we'll explore the world of herbal remedies by revealing the top 8 herbs that protect eyes and repair vision. From the potency of Ginkgo Biloba to the amazing nutrients in saffron and the antimicrobial effects of Eyebright, we'll show you the secrets behind these botanical treasures that could transform your eye health for good. Herbs are nature's gifts to humanity and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, offering remedies for various ailments. And science has identified numerous herbs to be highly effective for eye health and vision repair. Whether you struggle to see clearly at night or find your eyes burning after screen time, these everyday herbs can be your secret weapon to defeat bad vision. So without further ado, let's get started. Fennel is a versatile herb that's loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and potassium, essential for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin C found in fennel helps in lowering the chances of developing cataracts and macular degeneration, which are both prevalent eye conditions. As we grow older, age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, becomes a major threat to vision, especially for those over 50. This condition occurs due to cell breakdown in the macula, which is the part of the eye responsible for central vision. Fennel, with their antioxidant properties, can help protect the cells in the macula from damage and prevent the progression of AMD. The iron in fennel is vital for supplying oxygen to eye tissues, while its potassium content aids in regulating intraocular pressure, or IOP, helping to prevent conditions like glaucoma. Fennel also contains beta-carotene, a compound that converts into vitamin A in the body, further supporting eye health. Vitamin A is important for sustaining optimal night vision by aiding the eyes in adapting to low-light environments. Therefore, regular consumption of this herb can enhance night vision, making it easier to move around in darkness. Fennel equally offers versatility in consumption, as it can be eaten raw in salads, brewed into tea, or enjoyed roasted or fried as a side dish. While it's generally safe when used medicinally in appropriate doses for short durations, caution should be exercised, as fennel may not be suitable for people taking medication, pregnant or breastfeeding women, or those with hormone-sensitive conditions like cancer. This is because fennel can mimic estrogen, potentially worsening the situation. So before adding fennel to your diet or using products containing fennel, consulting with your healthcare provider is advisable for personalized guidance. The Ginkgo Biloba, also referred to as the maidenhair tree, originates from East Asia and is a gymnosperm tree species. This herb is super rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation, thereby offering relief to eye problems that are caused by inflammation. Ginkgo also contains high levels of flavonoids and terpenoids, which are compounds known for their powerful antioxidant effects to neutralize the damaging effects of free radicals. Free radicals are reactive particles produced in the body during normal metabolic functions, and they could be harmful if present in large quantities in the body. Although Ginkgo biloba seeds can be toxic if consumed excessively, causing food poisoning due to natural toxins, the leaves are generally safe for consumption. They are commonly available in various forms, such as supplements, oral tablets, extracts, capsules, or tea. Dandelion is one underrated but potent eye herb that thrives in temperate regions and can be found in yards, gardens, and alongside roads or crops. Despite being labeled a stubborn weed, dandelion has a rich history in traditional medicine spanning centuries. This herb boasts potent antioxidants, which are primarily responsible for its array of medicinal properties. Antioxidants play a vital role in neutralizing free radicals, which are molecules produced during normal metabolism but can increase the risk of chronic diseases if their levels become excessive in the body. Dandelions are particularly rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants found in high concentrations in the macular region at the back of our eyes. These compounds help in protecting the eyes against diseases like age-related macular degeneration. Dandelions also boast high levels of beta-carotene, another antioxidant that aids in shielding cells from damage and oxidative stress. Dandelions are equally rich in polyphenols, another type of antioxidant. These polyphenols contribute to dandelions' anti-inflammatory properties, ultimately enhancing overall eye health. Dandelion leaves, stems, and flowers are versatile and can be enjoyed raw or cooked. Additionally, the root can be dried, ground, and brewed into tea. However, it's important to note that while dandelions are generally safe for most people, they may trigger allergic reactions in some people. Therefore, consulting a healthcare professional before adding dandelion to your diet is advisable. Did you know that Violet chamomile is another beneficial herb that contains strong antioxidizing properties that are proven to be helpful in eye health. Chamomile is packed with flavonoids and terpenoids, which work together to soothe eye inflammation, contributing to its therapeutic effects. Its anti-inflammatory properties not only benefit eye health, but also promote overall well-being. To enjoy chamomile, simply place dried flowers in a tea infuser and enhance the flavor with honey or lemon juice. You can also experiment with incorporating chamomile into different food recipes to reap its health benefits. Originating from northern regions of Europe and Asia, bilberry has a long-standing history of medicinal use. This herb is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and phenolic acids and is highly beneficial for the body. Bilberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which play an important role in promoting eye health. In a specific study, people experiencing severe dry eyes showed significant improvement in symptoms after consuming dietary supplements of bilberry extract and fish oil for 3 months. Consuming bilberries in moderation is advisable, as high doses may pose risk. For recipe ideas, consider adding bilberries into pancakes, smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt parfaits. It's also important to consult with your healthcare provider before starting bilberry supplements to ensure they're suitable for you. Turmeric shines as a top herb in the world of natural remedies thanks to its potent medicinal compounds known as curcuminoids. Among them, curcumin takes the spotlight as the primary active ingredient in turmeric. This compound is renowned for its bioactive properties that can effectively fight inflammation, and research indicates that curcumin plays a protective role in the eyes by reducing inflammation. Turmeric and curcumin are also effective in slowing down the development of diabetic cataracts. They do this by changing how proteins clump together, which can cause the lens to become cloudy. Turmeric is commonly found in powder form, but it's also available as an extract, tea, or supplement, making it easy to incorporate into your diet according to your preferences and needs. Eyebright, scientifically known as euphrasia, is a delicate herb native to European meadows and some parts of the USA, growing up to 1 to 5 inches tall. True to its name, Eyebright is known for promoting eye health. Since ancient times, this potent herb has been valued for its ability to enhance eyesight and maintain ocular wellness. Eyebright is commonly used to address eye irritation, dryness, including infections like conjunctivitis. Its antimicrobial qualities and abundance of antioxidants make it particularly effective in soothing eye-related issues. Interestingly, it can also provide relief from hay fever symptoms. When it comes to consumption, Eyebright offers different options, as it can be found as tea, dietary supplements, and eye drops. Eyebright tea, for instance, has been cherished since the Elizabethan era, created from its petals, stems, and leaves. Sipping this tea not only delights the taste buds with its subtly rich flavor, but also nurtures eyesight and overall health. The nickname Golden Spice suits saffron perfectly, as this herb is packed with antioxidants that can greatly benefit the eyes and overall health. For instance, studies show that age-related macular degeneration is linked with free radical damage, and saffron appears to improve eyesight in adults with this condition and protect against free radical damage. Saffron's high concentrations of natural carotenoids equally protect the retina and lens of aging eyes, while also restoring the structure and function of retinal cells. Saffron is typically available in raw form as a powder or as a supplement, and when used in standard cooking amounts, it doesn't seem to cause adverse effects in humans, although high doses could be harmful. You should also ensure that you buy authentic saffron, since it's frequently counterfeited due to its high price, being the most expensive spice in the world. Although these 8 herbs are highly beneficial for eye health, our lifestyle habits are also important for optimal results. To maintain healthy eyes, prioritize consuming nutritious foods, taking breaks from screens, refraining from smoking, and avoiding UV rays exposure. You should equally invest in sunglasses that provide 99 to 100% UV protection. Most importantly, consult your healthcare provider before using any medication or herbs. Regular eye checkups are also important for early detection and proper treatment of any eye problems. Now tell us, which of these herbs have you used for your eye health, and how well did they serve you? Do you know any other herbs that are great for repairing the eyes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And did you know that you might be damaging your prostate health as a man with your regular coffee intake? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover the effect of coffee consumption on your prostate health. See you there.